96% of car owners are unknowingly throwing money away on detailing and repairs that could be prevented with simple tricks hiding in plain sight. Some of these hacks will slash your shop bills in half, while one powerful technique stops expensive interior and mechanical damage that mechanics and detailers quietly profit from every single day. They'll never tell you this stuff. Before you hand over another dollar at the shop, here are 17 of the smartest, most effective car hacks that actually deliver showroom results and save you. Hack number 17, Baby Oil Dashboard Shine Restoration. That faded, chalky dashboard staring back at you every morning makes the whole interior feel tired and worn out, no matter how often you clean it. Here's the game changer most pros won't admit. Grab a bottle of plain baby oil, put a couple drops on a microfiber cloth, and gently wipe it across your dashboard and all the plastic trim in smooth, even passes. Then buff it lightly with a dry cloth to remove any residue. The oil seeps into the dried-out plastic, replenishes lost moisture, and brings back a rich, natural-looking shine that doesn't look greasy or artificial like those overhyped interior sprays. In minutes, your cabin looks freshly detailed and feels brand new again. One $3 bottle lasts for dozens of treatments. You get professional-level conditioning without the premium price tag. Most commercial dressings are basically scented mineral oil in fancy packaging. Baby oil does the exact same job for pennies. Detailers charge big money for this exact effect. Now you know why they stay quiet about it. Hack number 16, Vaseline Side Mirror Water Repellent. Rainy drives turn your side mirrors into blurry messes, forcing you to squint and guess what's next to you when visibility matters most. Try this instead. Rub a thin layer of Vaseline onto both mirrors with your finger, then buff it down until the glass looks clear. The petroleum jelly forms an invisible hydrophobic barrier that makes rain beat up and slide right off. Your mirrors stay dramatically clearer in downpours, giving you confident rear visibility every time. A single $4 jar handles hundreds of applications. Same science as expensive rain repellent sprays, just without the markup. Bonus, use it on your headlights too. Water won't distort your beams on wet nights. Auto stores charge 400% more for fancy bottles when Vaseline already solves the problem perfectly. Hack number 15, Baking Soda and Vinegar Tire Restoration. Brown, grimy tire sidewalls drag down the entire look of your car, even after a fresh wash. Mix baking soda with white vinegar into a paste, scrub it onto the sidewalls with a stiff brush and let it fizz for a couple of minutes. The reaction lifts oxidation, brake dust, and road film like magic. Rinse clean and watch your tires turn deep, rich black again. Total cost? Under $3 for all 4 tires. For that final showroom touch, wipe on a light coat of Vaseline afterward. It seals the finish and keeps them looking fresh for weeks. Professional detailers use similar chemistry but charge triple digits. You just did it in your driveway with pantry staples. Hack number 14, Silica Gel Packet Moisture Absorber. That persistent musty smell returns after every rain or humid day, no matter how much you spray or vacuum. Save those little silica gel packets from shoe boxes, electronics, and supplements. Toss 8 to 10 of them under your seats. They quietly pull moisture from the air, stopping mold before it starts and killing that damp odor at the source. Reactivate them in a low oven every few months and reuse forever. Free protection that keeps your cabin fresh, protects electronics, and prevents leather from drying out. Commercial absorbers use the exact same technology in bigger packaging with huge markups. Stop throwing away free humidity control. Hack number 13, Steam Cleaning Car Interior Restoration. Surface cleaning never fully removes deep stains and odors trapped in your seats and carpets. Pick up an inexpensive handheld fabric steamer for $25-30. Slowly glide the steam over seats, floor mats, door panels, and headliner. The heat and pressure blast away embedded dirt, kill bacteria, lift stains, and neutralize smells without harsh chemicals. Blot with a microfiber cloth and enjoy genuinely clean, fresh-smelling surfaces. One purchase pays for itself after the first use. Pros rely on Steam too. You're just using the same tool at a fraction of their rate. It also works wonders on engine bays and door jambs. Sanitized interior in your own garage. Before we continue with more powerful secrets, if you're learning something useful here, hit that like button. These are the kind of tips detailers and mechanics hope you never discover. Thanks, let's keep rolling. Hack number 12, grease on battery terminal corrosion fix. Slow starts and glitchy electronics usually point to one sneaky culprit: corroded battery terminals. Disconnect the terminals, clean off any white or blue buildup with baking soda and water, dry everything thoroughly, then coat both terminals and posts with a thin layer of petroleum grease or Vaseline before reconnecting. This barrier blocks moisture and stops future corrosion cold. Your car cranks stronger and your battery lasts longer because electrical resistance stays low. A $3 tube protects for years. Mechanics turn this 5-minute job into a profitable service call. Simple grease eliminates the chemistry behind corrosion. Hack number 11, Vaseline Interior Scuff Mark Eraser. Scuffs and light scratches on door panels and plastic trim make your interior look older than it is. Dab a small amount of Vaseline onto the marks and rub in circular motions. It fills microabrasions, restores sheen, and blends everything back together. Buff off the excess and watch the damage disappear. Regular treatment also guards against UV damage so plastics stay flexible instead of brittle. One $4 jar restores your entire cabin. Detailers charge big for surface-level fixes you can handle in seconds. Hack number 10, Clay Bar Windshield Clarity Restoration. That stubborn haze on your windshield kills visibility and creates dangerous glare, especially at night. Get a clay bar kit for $10.15, mist the glass with water and glide the bar in overlapping passes. It lifts embedded contaminants no spray can touch. Your windshield turns crystal clear, night driving improves instantly, and future treatments bond better. This decontamination step is what real detailers do first. Now you can too, for a fraction of the cost. Hack number 9, extend your car's key fob reign. Weak key fob signal turning into a daily frustration. Hold the fob against your chin, mouth slightly open. When pressing the button, your head acts as a natural antenna and boosts range noticeably. In cold weather, warm the fob briefly with a lighter flame for a few seconds to revive the battery voltage. When it's time, a $3 replacement battery fixes it permanently. Dealers love charging for complex issues that are usually just cold or weak batteries. Hack number 8, shoe polish exterior trim restoration. Faded gray plastic trim and rubber molding instantly age your whole vehicle. Apply black shoe polish with a soft cloth, work it in, let it set, then buff. The pigments restore deep color and the built-in protectants slow future fading. It also revives rubber seals and prevents cracking. $2 or $3 from the dollar store beats $20 plus trim restorers that do the same thing. Your car looks years younger overnight. Hack number 7, Lysol Outside Air Vent Odor Eliminator. That musty blast when you first turn on the AC is more than annoying, it's mold. With the engine running and AC on max, spray Lysol directly into the exterior fresh air intake vents at the base of the windshield for a few seconds. The system pulls it through the evaporator coil where the real problem lives. Run the fan a few more minutes and the odor vanishes at the source. Repeat every few months for prevention. $5 beats expensive shop treatments every time. Hack number 6, fuel filler cap soap cleaning trick. Dirty fuel caps and seals are a hidden cause of check engine lights and fuel smells. Every fill-up, wipe the cap and rubber seal thoroughly with soapy water or a wet wipe, then dry it completely before reinstalling. This keeps the seal tight, maintains system pressure, and prevents vapor leaks. 30 seconds of prevention stops diagnostic fees and keeps your fuel efficiency optimal. Mechanics know this is often the first thing they check, but rarely mention. Hack number 5, WD-40 License Plate Rust Prevention. Seized, rusty plate bolts turn a simple sticker swap into an expensive hassle. Spray WD-40 generously on the bolts and plate area, let it penetrate, then wipe the surface clean. Reapply every 6 months. Moisture gets displaced and bolts stay free forever. It also keeps road grime from sticking so your plate stays readable. $5 can protect every fastener on your vehicle. Hack number 4, Umbrella Windshield Sun Protector. Intense summer heat cracks dashboards and fades upholstery faster than you realize. Buy a cheap reflective emergency umbrella or basic sun shade. Open it and wedge it across the windshield when parked. It bounces UV and heat away, keeping your cabin noticeably cooler and protecting interior materials. A 10-12 solution works as well as expensive custom shades while reducing AC strain and saving fuel. Hack number 3, engine air filter replacement hack. Sluggish performance and dropping MPG often trace back to a dirty air filter. Find your filter housing, quick YouTube search for your model, release the clips, swap the old filter for a new 1525 $1 and snap it shut. 5 minutes, no tools needed. A clean filter can improve fuel economy up to 10%, paying for itself quickly. Shops love marking up this simple owner-serviceable job. Hack number 2, Coca-Cola Tire Shine Restoration. Dull, brown tires kill your car's curb appeal no matter what you spray on. Pour Coca-Cola on the sidewalls, let the phosphoric acid work for a couple minutes, scrub, rinse, then apply a thin Vaseline coat for lasting gloss. The finish looks deep and natural, lasts longer, and doesn't sling onto wheels. Professional results for pocket change using everyday items. Hack number 1, Shaving Foam Car Seat Deep Clean. Stubborn stains and odors in seats make every ride embarrassing. Spray plain white shaving foam, not gel, generously onto fabric seats, work it in with a brush, let it dwell 10-15 minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth and dry. The surfactants lift deep grime, oils, and smells at the fiber level. $1-2 can cleans multiple vehicles and works on carpets and headliners too. Detailers charge hundreds for what this simple foam achieves. How many of these hacks were new to you? Drop a comment with your favorite. I read every single one. If this just saved you serious money on detailing and repairs, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. More industry secrets coming your way. Your car will thank you. And if you want even more ways to keep your ride looking brand new for years, check out the next video right here. Trust me, you'll wish you known these sooner. See you in the garage.